Dear viewers, welcome to our channel Easy Learning Medical Videos. Today we are going to talk about joint fluid aspiration with examination of the synovial fluid. Synovial fluid examination is a pivotal in septic arthritis, crystal arthritis, intra-articular bleeding. It should be carried in all monoarthritis cases. Sample should be sent for microbiology, clinical chemistry, and usually small amount is required for diagnostic purpose. So it is feasible to study most of the joints. Now come to the interpretation. First of all, what is the findings in normal synovial fluid? Normal synovial fluid is small in volume, clear, either colorless or pale yellow, high viscosity, and few cells may be present. In case of inflammation, volume is usually increased. It is turbid due to increased number of cells and proportional increase of neutrophils, and there is decreased viscosity due to enzymatic degradation of the hyaluronan and aggrecan. Turbid fluid with high neutrophils usually occurs in septic arthritis, crystal arthritis, reactive arthritis. Sometimes we may find white synovial fluid, which is found in high concentration of the urate crystals or high concentration of cholesterol. Sometimes we may find blood in the joints. If it is non-uniform, that is non-uniform blood staining, it is most commonly due to bleeding diastasis, trauma, or pigmented villonodular synovitis, and can occur also in severe inflammatory synovitis. If a lipid layer floating above blood-stained fluid, it is diagnostic of intra-articular fracture, and it is caused by release of bone marrow into the joint. Crystal can be identified by compensated polarized light microscopy of the fresh synovial fluid. In case of urate crystals found in gout are long and needle-shaped and show a strong light intensity and negative birefringence. In case of calcium pyrophosphate, which is found in pseudogout, are smaller, rhomboid-shaped, and usually less numerous than urate crystals, and they have weak intensity and positive birefringence. So this is all about today. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.